This is Crystal with Whole New Perspective. Well, today I'm going to go ahead and start harvesting some of my potatoes that I planted. And let's hope that we get potatoes. So just come along with me. But before I do that, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you for giving my videos a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. These may have needed to be harvested some time ago, but I'm going to do it now and we'll see what we have. Well, it doesn't look like we have any. Well, that was a bust. Let's try our next bag to see if we have anything. I'm gonna have to look in here and see if there are some type of bugs that are eating up the potatoes. So I may have waited too long to harvest these. I just went ahead and just put the soil back in there, and now we're going to see if we have anything with this. Well, no luck with these either. Now this was fresh soil, so I'm not sure why we didn't get any potatoes with these in the past, so I'm really not sure, just not sure. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some more potatoes. I know they're not ready, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try them. So these bugs are in the soil, a lot of ants and bugs. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Let me know what you think. A lot of ants in here. They are all dying, so there's something that is eating them. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one out as well. See what we get. Well, got one potato. So far it's just one. So at least I didn't get the opportunity to eat this one. Let's see what else, if there are any more in here. So yeah, something's eating them. See? They didn't get a chance to eat this one. So give me your thoughts on what it could be. Let's see if there's anything in this one. Look at this. Let me show you. I think that's the grubs that we talked about. So it's possible that the grubs are inside eating it. So the grubs are in there. They've started eating them. That's very soft. You see that? And then there's one down here. Those aren't the ones that I planted, I don't think. So I have a grub situation, and so I don't have any potatoes. I don't see the grubs in here. Good. Well, since we're seeing the damage that's being done, we're just gonna go ahead and dump this one also. It definitely isn't time, but I can tell that something's been eating it also. So we're just gonna go ahead and dump it and see what we have. We have the bugs on the bottom as well. I'm not sure if this is one of my seed potatoes. But no, it's not. It's not a seed potato because it was growing. You can see it's been eaten as well. I'm just gonna move this around just to see if I didn't bring my gloves with me. Just to see if there are any potatoes in here. Nope. So they have eaten a lot. This was a volunteer potato plant, so let's just see if anything is in here. I'm just gonna pull it up first to see. Well, this one did have one. It's a small one. Don't have anything there. I am just gonna go ahead and dump it out. I have a small potato in here. Let's see if there's any other small potatoes. Well, you know, sometimes you get your harvest and sometimes you don't. And it's just really good to show all of it. And this is one of those times when this really was an epic fail. But I really wanted to show you this, and I want to thank you so much for coming along with me. Again, please leave me some comments below. Let me know why I didn't get the harvest. If you watched the video, then you may have seen some of the bugs. And I did have one grub in there that I saw under the container. So just let me know what you think and why you feel I didn't get any potatoes. Thank you guys again. I appreciate you.